Welcome to the first lesson in Adobe Illustrator course for beginners. Now, in this lesson, we're going to look at the interface for Illustrator. And we're going to start with this. Now, when you open up Illustrator, if you're using a PC, that is Windows, this will be what the interface will look like. Now, from here, you can see we have the menu bar at the top. We have its logo over here, and then you can create a new file from here, open one that you've been working on. These are the recent ones that I've worked on in Illustrator, and you can actually create a new file using these sizes. You can create one that's an A4, a postcard, a web large, or an iPhone X, depending on what you want to do with that document that you want to create. So let's come over here and click on Create New. Now, this will come up. Now from here you can customize your document. So recently I've used a letter, an A4, or a web large. So let's see, if I select an A4, we have the details, the properties at this side. So we have the width and the height. I want it, whether you want it in millimeters, pixel points, or centimeters. So you can come in and change a few things, whether you want it to be landscape or portrait, the color mode, the raster effect. So don't come and change. I will advise you for now, as we start off, don't change anything from here. I'm going to take this back over here. Don't change anything from here. So let's just work at changing the size here, the width, the height, the measurements over here, and the orientations. So once you're done, you can click on Create. And now that will create a new page for you, a new document for you to work on. Now, as you can see, the page is open, and at the top we have the properties of the page. To top over here, you can see we have the properties of the page. Then we have the toolbar over here, and we have some additional tools that we're going to use on this side. So as we advance, you're going to look at each and every one of these in Adobe Illustrator and look at how to use each, and maybe know, if not all of them, the most important tools in Illustrator. So here's a quick tip on our first lesson. When you come to color modes, you've noticed we have two. We have CMY, this one RGB, and CMYK. Now RGB will be used only for digital documents. Anything you want to post online, go for RGB. But if you want to print your document at the end of, let's say at the end of you designing it, you want to print it out, I'll advise you to use CMYK colors.